So that is the MB trac 1500. Pretty much finished off. She has been for quite a few test runs and everything seems to be working quite well on her. Very good in the road. I think she looks pretty. Start with the front of her. She's got now a set of front links in this starter, which she never had before. We made the bumper for the front of her as she looked a bit bare looking, as the owner thought, so we'll stick a bumper on her, which looks kind of well. So more or less this tractor here has had a full strip down on a rebuild, which will consist of all the body parts now, not the gearbox or the engine. Mainly just all the body parts has been stripped down to the bare chassis and repainted and rebuilt, anything fixed, any rot cut out along the way. She's had new mud guards on her, new steps. What I know about the tractor is she, I think, come out of a college in Cork, some agriculture college I would take it, and I would say she's got quite a lot abused in them days I've been at the agriculture college. So the new mud guards on her and the new steps really saved me a lot of work trying to bait and hammer to make those mud guards look good. I don't think you're getting any better than the newer mud guards on her. So with that on her too, the roof on her was quite rotten. So we've had to make a new roof skin, or didn't make a new roof skin, we put a new roof skin on her. Had to make the little corner pieces for the roof skin, which was not probably the handiest to make, but took our time and we got them made. The Mara arms on her now, they're not probably original, but bottom half of the Mara and then that top bit that mounts onto the mirror, we bent it so we can put them mirrors on her. So she has a decent set of mirrors on her, which looks quite nice. Also on her now, she's got a set of 460 by 85 by 34 Michelins on her, which look pretty good. It's what they would have been coming on when new, an optional extra, I think. The rear tray, most of the back section was all okay. We just had to re-panel, put new sides in it and make a new platform bit that slides up the middle. New tail lights, new tail light holders. Even got a set of second-hand lift arms for her on the uprights, as they were bent stupid and there's a lot of welding done at them. So with that done on her, she did have a set of air brakes on her, this tractor, but we done away with them there because it wasn't an original spec for her, this tractor. I think anyway, but I'm pretty sure. As for the side panels, you can screw the side panels off till you get the engine, the bonnet. Then you lift the exhaust pipe off, the bonnet will hinge over, so you can get actually working at the top of the engine if you want. So that's it. The cab has been off her, which needed to come off because the cab was quite rough in places, and to put a new roof skin on it, it's quite handy to be working out the cab on the floor. So we've got a new windows front and back on her, a few lower windows in her also. As the reason why we needed a new front windscreen for was because the simple reason is some people don't like putting wiper blades in their tractor, and then that scores them. So she's quite fancy. Well, as I say, she's quite fancy tractor. She's really very standard inside compared to most tractors. The seat on this tractor here now can swivel around and you can drive her backwards. There's like a little build up of air, and then there's a pin that releases onto the seat, and you push your hand throttle forward and that whole platform will swivel around. We'll maybe do a video of that there at a later stage of her swiveling around. So as I say, she's quite basic. Like all your controls is down here on her. You've got a shuttle forward and back, and you've got, it's hard to tell you many gears in that tractor, but you've got 8 forward high speed gears in her. I think there's 4 low in her, and then there's a creeper box in her. I think maybe some of the newer ones might have a sliding window in them, or else a pop-up window that pops up on Rams. The same in the front windscreen. So the cab's quite spacious on her. Apart from that there, like, I had my daughter out for a run in the tractor one night, and she can sit on the passenger seat, and she says she can actually spread her legs out really far in the tractor, so that's good. So basically that's what 1500 looks like. We'll maybe get her out for a run, let you hear what she sounds like, and we'll see, can we do a spin the seat round and drive her backwards. So that is what she looks like. Pretty nice. All we need now is to get a dry day for some photographs. But that is the MB Trac 1500.